All right, let's look at certain problems. All right, their solutions in indices. Let's look at these three examples. A says 81 raised to the power 3 over 4. B says 27 raised to the power 2 minus 3, minus 2 over 3. And C is a very big thing here. Square root of 245 p cubed, then q power minus 2 over 5 p power 6 multiplying q power minus 6. Is that okay? All right, let's actually see what to do about this. Let's see how far we can go with it. Okay, let's go. The first one, let's take it gradually, slowly, but not sluggishly. Now, in this place, what you are seeing here is fractional index law is going to work in this place. So I'm going to put 81 inside the square root. Now this 4 will stand as the root, while the 3 up will be the power. Now the thing in the bracket simply means what can be raised to power 4 to give 81. What can be raised to power 4 to give 81? Now that is actually 3, right? So I have 3 power 3 now. This gives me 27. That's that for that. The second one, the same index having fraction, but this one is actually negative. All right, so we are combining negative index law and fractional index law in one question in this place. Is that okay? So first of all, negative index law says when things like this comes your way, simply do 1 over 27 power 2 over 3. Is that okay? Then let's continue. Then this means 1 over, put 27 inside the square root. This is the power, this is the root. 3. Now, what in the bracket simply means what can be raised to power 3 to give 27, and that is 3. So I have 3. The power is still there. Is that okay? So this is equal to 1 over 3 power 2 is 9. Are we following? Good. Now, let's look at the fourth one. Sorry, the third one I mean to say, pardon me please. This third one. Is that okay? Now I'm going to do a lot of work here just for your understanding. This is 245 times p power 3, then times q, all right, power minus 2. Is that okay? Then over 5p power 6. Pardon please, I'm so sorry. Okay, let me put times here please. Then times q power minus 6. Is that okay? I can still split this way. I hope I'll have enough space here. This way, this will actually become 245 over 5. All right, then multiplying p power 3 times q power minus 2 over p power 6 multiplying q power minus 6. Hope you're getting the whole thing gradually and clearly. Is that okay? Now let's actually continue. Now listen here, you go this way. Now if let's divide this with this, is that okay? Down, what's it called, 5 into 20, right, will give us 4. Is that okay? Let me see, put it, will give us 4, right? Then 45 is left. Now 4 divide 45 is 9. So this one is gone. Then I'm left with these ones here. This one we're going to work with division law in this place. Division law is going to work in this particular place. So please pay attention here. Sorry. What's it called? We are going to do something like this now. This thing means can be P power 3 over P power 5 multiplying Q power minus 2 over Q power minus 6. Is that okay? Good. So I'm taking this step because I want to really understand what was actually done. This here is something like saying P power 3 divided by P power 5. At this point, division law comes in, and this is going to be P power 3 minus 5 for this one now, times, is that okay? The next one, Q power minus 2, okay, then minus 6, which becomes plus 6. All right, let's go. This is 49, all right, times P 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Is that okay? Now times Q minus 2 plus 4, sorry, plus 6 is 4. Is that okay? Let's continue. Now look up, please. I want to pay attention here, very quick attention. Now this is 49, all right, times, this is 1 over P, is that okay, multiplying Q power 4. So in all, we are going to have square root of 49 times 1 is 49, times Q power 4 is Q power 4 over P power 2. Now square root of 49 is 7. This is, if I actually take square root of this 4, is that okay? I will have Q power 2 all over. Now remember that this thing, something as taking square root of P squared. Is that okay? So it's more like saying, let me just say this is P squared here. Remember, this sign means half, power half. Is that okay? So this thing here, something as, pardon me please, I want to do one thing here, please. This P here now, P power 2 you are actually seeing here, is something as saying, inside square root now, I'm going to have P power 2. This P power 2 now inside square root, this is what it means. And the law says this thing now, something as saying power half. See, when I have P power 2 power half, that means 2 cancel 2, I have 1. 1 times 1 is 1. P power 1 is still P. All right, so put the P here. That settles that. All right, kindly go to the questions and the solutions, all right, then to see what to contribute. I expect your question even as I am plan to give you assignments. Thank you very much.